This is not just any money. This is money for ghosts. These people are burning a pile of Monopoly-like money for the dead. It's called joss paper, and burning these offerings is a Chinese tradition that dates back thousands of years. The practice varies across provinces, countries, and cultures. Here's a step-by-step guide based on Southern Chinese rituals for sending offerings to loved ones in the afterlife. Take a pair of red candles and stick them into a fruit, like an orange. No spiky fruits though. Light 3 sticks of incense. Next, burn joss paper to summon Guan Yin, the god of mercy who protects their believers. Guan Yin is a super popular deity and worshipped by Chinese communities everywhere. Toss some postage stamps into the flames so the mailman of the afterlife will deliver your offerings properly. Once the postage is received, make it rain money. You get to choose what kind of money you want to burn. You name it, you burn it. Besides money, ghosts also demand worldly things for use in the underworld. Yes, you can burn paper clothes, shoes, and even a house. But modern ghosts live life larger than that. You can burn them an iPhone, some servants, or a truck complete with a Guaylo chauffeur and a trunk full of gold. You can even burn them Gucci bags, to the dismay of Gucci itself. Once you've made all your offerings, burn these papers to send the ghosts off to their next life. The ceremony ends with a toast. A little Chinese wine in front of the fire until the embers die. Cheers and peace out, ghosts!
If you enjoyed this video, we've got a lot more stories about Chinese gods, traditions, and preserving old culture on Goldthread.
Put your feet up.